Started flipping green, now we flipping hard. Only 15, now we skipping class. This is when my G's, then we didn't pass. Should've known them times, they would never last. Used to ride bikes, now we stealing cars. Take it round back, strip it down for parts. Tryna get it fast, tryna live it large. And we know in our hearts that this world is ours. Yeah, it's my life, I swear it is. They treat me like a terrorist, tryna make me need a therapist, but I'm aware of this, so meritless. Nothing we do don't merit this. Actually, where's my merit, miss? You've been messing up my grades and I swear it's this. So you best call my mumsy, yeah, and tell her that her son's a failure. Hey, look on everything that you've been teaching me, and now the school is like you want me in a jail yard. Must think I don't know this thing. Them tactics are the oldest thing. Build a big deal, then throw us in. These systems, they control us in what nobody else ain't noticing. Too busy caught up in the showbiz ting. Too busy caught up in the roads and ting. Too busy caught up in the streets, in the beef, and the following the codes and ting. Hold up, let me roll this thing. Free up your mind, cause they wanna hold us in captivity. Take man's liberty, disconnect from that negativity. All I'm trying to bring's positivity. Uplift to raise productivity. These vibrations do that physically. These vibrations do that physically. Free to use them mind, use them mind. Free up the youth, then free up the youth, then free up the youth. That time is coming, time is coming. Free up the youth, then 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 free up the youth, then. Free to use them mind, use them mind. Free up the youth, then free up the youth, then free up the youth. That time is coming, time is coming. Free up the youth, then 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 free up the youth, then. Free to use them minds. The time is coming. Yeah. So yeah, I'm free to use them minds, cause the time is coming. I said it's coming and it's coming for us, yeah. Said it's coming and it's coming for us. One that's full of animosity, don't deal with man properly. Just run up in our property and throw away the lock and key. I swear it's an atrocity. This time here is costing me. And got man in the cell so someone else can play the boss of me. Try to slow man's velocity. Too hard they wanna soften me, but ain't nobody stopping me. We'll survive it possibly, living in this hypocrisy. Nah, this ain't no democracy. They're locking up the prophets for a profit, call it prophecy.